Hey everyone, Neil with Wildfox Woodworks, and today you've reached the tutorial on how to make the Yard Jenga set. Fairly simple to make, chop saw, sander, stain, and you're pretty much done. Tedious part is the sanding of all 54 pieces that you're going to cut. So in order to start out, you need 6 2x4s that are 8 feet in length. I always get 7 because I always find a knot or an indent or something that is just ugly in one of the 2x4s, and I'll end up just cutting that piece out. And if you've only got 6, you're gonna go short. So get 7, do yourself a favor. When you go to the store, look for something that's already smooth, something that's not bent, something that doesn't have any huge knots in it, no big divots, and no splits. So go pick up 7 of these, and then we'll go to the chop saw and we'll get started. So here we have to make 54 cuts at 10.5 inches. So you mark each one 10.5. I'm cutting 2 at a time. Slide it in. Make sure your cut's going to be exactly 10.5. And continue until you have 54 pieces. Okay, now that we have all of our pieces cut and sanded, it's time to put a stain on. This is the type of stain that I use, just a wood stain. It comes in all sorts of colors. Dark walnut, cabernet, aqua, red. I've got almost every color they have, and it works perfect. So what you want to do is shake this up. This part can get really messy, that's why I'm wearing gloves. Today we chose Cabernet. Dip your cloth in. Give this thing a full wipe. Make sure you get the entire block covered. Once you have it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then what you're going to want to do is wipe all the excess off so that you get a smooth finish. Now you've got your stained block. We let it dry, and you've got your Jenga piece right here. Alright, so you've got your finished product now. You've cut your 54 pieces, you've sanded them, you've stained them, you've let them dry overnight. You've got a final product now. I got gray and black here, 27 of each color if you're going to go two-tone, Cabernet and natural, and if you're going to go three-tone, like down at the end, it's 18 of each color. Now, stacks of 3, 18 high, that's your full set. You can get pretty tall by the time you're done playing. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, watch one of our other tutorials, learn how to make all the yard games. Please visit our website. The link is going to be somewhere around this box. Visit us on Facebook, friend us, Instagram. If you have any questions or comments, or want to see something else put into a tutorial that we make here at Wildfox Woodworks, feel free to email us. Go out and have fun. This is Neil with Wildfox Woodworks, and I'll see you next time.